Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on signing out of the Netflix app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Netflix app, and from the home page you need to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down the page and tap on Sign Out at the bottom. Tap Sign Out again on the pop-up that appears. Your Netflix account will now be signed out of the app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Netflix tips and tricks.